Hey guys, welcome back to another video from our channel. Today we'll be taking you across to a holiday park site located in Saltfleet, Lincolnshire in England. The holiday park is called Sunnydale Holiday Park, which is located in Lincolnshire. Holiday Park has a lot of leisure facilities on site, like indoor and outdoor play areas for the kids and grown-ups, as well as an indoor heated pool. There is an on-site shop as well to shop for your daily essentials. The mesmerizing part about this caravan park is the beautiful fishing lake and the caravans that surround it. When we visited the fishing lake, there was a fishing match going on. Although the park was following all the COVID precautions and social distancing rules, we decided not to visit the indoor pool and other leisure facilities for our own safety. Although the caravan was professionally clean, it was an old caravan, hence I rated 7 out of 10. Our caravan was a sleep for 6 with 2 twin bedrooms and a double bed. Day 2 of our stay, and we went for a walk across to the Humber Estuary. This place is also the Donanook Air Military Weapon Range. As the caravans are self-catering, I love to feed the hungry ones. Guys, thank you for your support all this time. We hope you liked the review. Leave any comments in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to our channel. Hope you enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye now.